Our office is dedicated to helping you advance and achieve your career goals. Some of the ways we do this are through individualized coaching, strategy sessions, application material reviews, and mock interviews. Bev Ecklund, Marti McCausland, and I work with you on an individual basis to strategize how you can use your 3 years in law school to achieve your professional goals. In addition to providing you with professional training, job hunting skills, and employment opportunities, we develop relationships for you in the legal community for networking, informational interviews, jobs, and externship opportunities. We connect students to alumni and other attorneys so that you can learn about different practice areas and types of practice, and to recognize and be prepared for job opportunities. 2 examples of the way we do this are through our Attorney Mentor Program and our Career Boot Camp. The Attorney Student Mentor Program at Willamette Law is the oldest lawyer-student program in Oregon. In fact, next year is the program's 30th anniversary. It started with 1 judge and 5 students, and has grown to over 300 students, attorneys, and judges. Last year, 90% of the 1L class participated in the program.
We connect first-year students with attorneys and judges who build a relationship based on their mutual interest in the law and legal profession. The goal is to promote the professional development of students through the informal exchanges of ideas and experiences. Students can get critical academic and career advice and encouragement during the first year of law school and are included in professional activities and local legal networking events. In short, mentors help their mentees make the transition from law student to legal professional.
We match our students based on shared interests, personal circumstances, practice area interests, as well as personal values and goals. It's only for 1 year, but some attorneys and students stay together for all 3 years. Others may add a new student each year while continuing to mentor their previous students so that they have a 1L, 2L, and 3L mentee group. At the end of the year, we host a reception. It's an opportunity for students in the program to thank their mentors and also acknowledge the contributions to their professional development. We present our award for Mentor of the Year based off of nominations that our office receives from our students.
We can't thank our mentor volunteers enough for stepping up to help our students get through the rigors of law school. The foundation the mentors provide serve our students well into their professional lives.
The Attorney Mentor Program has had a positive impact on the lives of everyone involved. Students and mentors build a relationship, and this leads to other opportunities. For some, it's participation in experiences that help develop their understanding of the law. For others, it becomes part of a wider network of legal professionals who provide resources and can support your growth. Sometimes it's just a simple act of being there, being supportive and providing a sympathetic ear when needed. We're helping to connect the current generation of lawyers to the future generation, and that's important because none of us gets there alone. Boot Camp was designed to prepare students for the legal job search. It is an interactive workshop based on identifying the skills that you already have that are transferable to and valuable for a law career. Your transferable skills are the building blocks for writing a resume, a cover letter, and for interviewing. We call it a boot camp because it's an intense full day of comprehensive instruction and preparation for the legal job market. It's a lot of information in one day, but it's worth it. The goal is for you to leave the workshop knowing how to translate your work and volunteer experiences for a legal employer, to frame your skills for a legal resume, to understand how to write a skill-based story paragraph for your cover letter, and how to highlight your skills in a formal or informal interview.
Our law students come from diverse backgrounds. Some arrive straight from obtaining a bachelor's degree. Others come from the job force, whether in law, business, or a trade. Our boot camp is designed to prepare each of our students, regardless of background, for the realities of the legal job market. The legal job search is very different from a regular job search. Legal employers are traditional in their hiring and expect application materials that are traditional and straightforward in terms of look and feel. Having traditional application materials mirrors the traditional nature of legal documents. With straightforward formatting, legal employers are easily able to identify your skills that are relevant to the practice of law that Phylis mentioned earlier.
Students can choose between 2 days to participate in the fall. We go over cover letters, resumes, writing samples, interviews, elevator speeches, and thank you notes, all tuned to the legal employer. It's interactive and students get to engage in a number of exercises that help them to identify their transferable skills and how to translate these in an effective way for potential employers.
At the end of the program, students engage in a series of mock interviews with real attorneys. It's interactive, with one student participating in the mock interview while other students observe. The idea is to give students exposure to different interview styles. Although it is intimidating for the student participating in the interview, the students appreciate the opportunity to practice when there is not an actual job on the line. At the end of the mock interview, attorneys provide more information on the style of interview they used and offer the student feedback. The students benefit from seeing the types of questions a legal employer might ask in order to prepare answers that highlight their own unique background and experience.
Boot Camp is one of the programs that has enabled us to help you be better prepared for the legal job search, regardless of your experiences with this in the past. You all come from different backgrounds and collected experiences, and in the end, we want you to be able to use your own voice to communicate what makes you special and unique. Being able to articulate your self-identity is an important skill to have, not just because you're entering a competitive job market, but also because it helps you get closer to finding the perfect fit for your professional aspirations.
Our office coordinates visits and events involving law firms, public interest and government agencies, businesses, and the judiciary. These events are designed to connect our students to opportunities.
In addition to these programs, our office meets individually with all students to help further refine a strategy to help you achieve your unique career goals.
Over the last 7 years, Willamette employment numbers have ranged from number 1 in Oregon to number 5 for the entire West Coast for bar passage required and JD Advantage full-time long-term jobs. Our job is to prepare you, our students, for the legal market today and as it changes. Our doors are always open to help you.